Hello all, welcome to a video on how to download and install Git on Windows. To download and install Git on Windows, go to gitsem.com/download/win or search for Git for Windows and open the link with URL gitsem.com/download/win. And here choose the appropriate version based on your operating system. I am using a 64-bit operating system, so I am downloading 64-bit Git for Windows setup. Save it. And to install it, simply double click on it, choose yes, and then choose install. It will install Git Bash on your machine. If you already installed, it will remove the previously installed version and it will install latest version. Click on finish. And to check Git Bash installed properly or not, open Start menu and search for Git Bash and open Git Bash and uh, to check Git installation status, execute Git command. It will show the usage of Git command. Thank you.